Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send files on Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to send files in Slack, all you will be needing to do is to attach a file to your message. So simply, we need to start sending a message first. And to do that, you will be either need going to a channel or simply go to DMs or direct messages. So here I'm already in this channel, which is called All Tutorial. Now in the message panel, we will find this message. So basically, you can start composing your message, but we're not interested in texting. What we need is to simply attach a file to this message. And to do so, you will be needing either to click on this attach button, which will allow you to upload from computer as you see, or you can add a text snippet or whatever. And we want like to simply send a file. So we click on upload. You will go like the open, and basically it will be sent. And basically on Slack, you will be able to send any file format. So either a zip, JPEG, like a JPG, PNG, it can be anything like TXT, PDF, uh, presentation like PowerPoint presentation, any format of files. Or you can simply start drag and dropping from your computer to Slack. For example, I will just do like that. And from here, I will need just to go and go to upload, and simply we can click on send. So by that, you will be able to start like sending these files, and you will be able to send successfully this file. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.